Well, it's Tuesday here in Trinidad and Tobago. All right. Basically we're gonna look at some potential opportunity today to get in and out of the markets. We wanna see if we could make a little $10 USDT, right? So that's the whole idea. You're coming in to learn to trade, and this is the end result. You could have the option of going into the markets and trying to get up a setup. So we're looking at the news first to see if any red folders today. So we did had some at 8:30 a.m. It's finished right now, so everything should kind of be normalized now. We want to go straight to the charts, identify some structure. We will talk about the training afterwards. Let's look for a little setup. We have the broker open here. We have the charts. All right, so we're gonna look at some potential opportunity here. I want to basically look to see if I see any structure. I could see NZD at a high, which is good, right? Could be for selling opportunities, but we need to see some kind of structure in the market here. So let's see what's going on here. Let me check this here. Right, so I could see a fake breakout here. It runs straight up. So let's take a look at yeah, so NZD is still buying. We don't want to get into that. Let's try EUD Chef. This move already took place, right? Can't really retest anything here, so let's leave that. Let's look at, let's see if the goal, what the goal is looking like. So we're gonna leave that goal GBP USD. I think GBP is still buying, so don't want to really get into that. GBP JPY, this would have been one I was looking at. See, that already happened. AUD NZD at a low. Let's see if we see something here, right? See something happen here. Um, there's like an selling state. We don't want to get involved with that. Card chef. Let's see. All right, so card chef is our best bet here, right? What we want to do is try and get about 20 pips. Let me see how long this candle is before it closes. All right, so the candle is going to close in 2 minutes, 20 seconds. So it's at a low state right now. It almost reaches. So what I want to do is basically enter card chef for buy. Let's see if we could catch this card chef. CAD, CHF. And buy is not much, it's about $10 we want and we out of the market there. So we hit a buy there in card chef. Even the retest could give us some profits here. Right? You can see it instantly goes into a profit zone. I'm gonna explain to you quickly why I bought it. We have a low here, a low here as well. So it could get like a bounce back to the upward trend. Looking at the higher time frames, you can see CADCHF on a low, which is good. We get some nice confirmations that the possibility exists it could go back up to this area here. That's one big candle on the 15 minutes. Let's see how much pips is that. There's about 20 pips. So all we want is about 12 pips on the trade idea. All right. So we're just gonna drop our take profit and stop loss level area. We just want about 12 pips. 12, yeah. Stop loss, we'll leave it a little below. I'll leave it at 20 pips here. There is a next low here, right? Uh, so what I'll do, because I'm monitoring the trade, I want to bring it about 40 pips here, right? That's just the cater in case it actually comes down here and decides to go back up here. We could do our next entry and take it at a lower stage if it drops at a lower stage. right? Right now it's going back up, which is good. So we just won about $10 and we out of the trade, right? So it could go back up right there from that area to about here, or it could dip further down. So we're gonna just wait it out. We're gonna go to the 5 minutes, see what's happening here. Keep it real time. Again, it could drop. It could drop to the slow. So we seen some good results here. All right. Gonna basically input my take profit level to the broker. Really, really easy here. All right, $19.69. That's the target. If it goes back up to that area there, it could happen. The possibility exists. So I'm just put my stop losses on take profit levels here. All right, so we're gonna wait it out, and see how it goes. Right, so this is the current position right now. We just won 12 pips in this particular setup here on the card shelf. It looks really well. It is at a buying stage, so we want to wait it out and see. So as soon as the play happen, guys, I will basically resume the video as well. So I'm gonna pause it and I'll be back in a few. Right, so the time is 10:43 a.m. We are in $6 profit right now. You can see a nice, lovely candle shoot up the road here. So we're gonna leave it see if it hits that TP. We're gonna update you guys, right? So it's 10:43 a.m. here, and we're gonna pause the video again, resume it, and hopefully we should get that take profit level. Well, it's 12:05 p.m. here, guys. I mean, so many charts, going in our favor. I'm really, really excited to share with you. We closed off the trade at literally $10.47 profits. So we took 10 pips at 0.10. Like you can see the close time, open time, everything here. I want to show you guys this. Yeah, the education is really, really important. Take the training. Take the training. So I'm going to my trading view profile. I'm going to share with you some of the chart work I did. Look, just 16 hours ago, 15 hours ago, 9 hours ago, right? Let me start with the 16 hours ago, right? Um, Basically, what you're looking here is a before and after. This is a recorded and to know if your strategy working. And I'm doing this to show you guys what's happening here. Right? This is on the card chef. If it goes in the blue, that means it's in our favor. We are profitable if it goes in the blue. Right? So we're gonna hit play here. And look at this. The thing went and hit our take profit. So let me show you. We got 23 pips on this take profit idea, right? I will share with you the results in a bit. Let me just pause it and get that. Right, so this is the take profit for the card chef, right? Really, really amazing here. $23 earned on that trade take profit hit. We out of that. So let me go back to the other charts. This one is a popular chart pattern. It's called the head and shoulder. I mean, guys, the stop loss was a bit steep, 100 pip stop loss, right? So look at this here again. Profit is blue, red is minus. I'm gonna hit play here, right? Look at this. The TP was hit 100 pips on the Chef JPY. I wasn't too really comfortable with the I wasn't too comfortable with the stop loss being 100 pips, so I just record this for work purposes, for my strategy purpose, right? And look at this, guys, 100 pip hit on that head and shoulder. Let's see. Trading is important. Like the USD chef, right? Look at this here. We're gonna hit play. Look at this. TP1 hit it all the way into TP2. So I'm gonna show you some profit levels on this. This three position. I literally 23 pips in one, 22 pips in one, and a TP hit, right, of 36 pips, right? So, guys, you see what's going on here. Let me talk about the education now. I just throwing out some testimonials there before I go into the actual education. One customer said trading the class was great for the first day, very informative. Learned a lot as I'm new to trading. Right. Second student said I started the Forex trading course today and it was a very informative, well structured program. Looking forward to the next session. Next student, it was great as usual. This was day 4, right? Real life examples you use to drive home your point. Thank you so much, right? And we had one today on a day 1 as well. That's this student here. Good morning. The session was very informative and information was easy to grasp. I'll recommend this to anyone who's interested in learning Forex, right? Really, really awesome stuff here, guys. So you see for yourself what's happening. Now is the time to get plugged in as you see what's happening, real world scenario, trading terminology, basic stuff. You don't have to have any experience whatsoever. It's only 500 TT, 6 days, guys, 1 hour via Zoom, and you're good to go, right? So my number is on the screen. Feel free to reach out to me. So let's go, guys. This is what we're talking about. Learning the skill set that could potentially change your financial state.